There's nothing to do. I'm so bored and hungry. There has to be something to do. I got it. I think I better order a yummy chicken burger, and I'll bring my dad's credit card. Good afternoon, and welcome to Burger King. How may I help? I would like a chicken burger with mayonnaise on it, please. That'll cost £8, thank you. Thank you. Come again soon.
What? Oh my gosh, someone spent 27 AD with my money. That is so outrageous. I know Haram is taking a nap, but who could it be? Oh my goodness. I should have known that was Henry. Oh my gosh, he is gonna be in so much trouble. Oh my days, Henry, I am so mad with you. I can't believe you would spend my money to buy a chicken burger without my consent.
I'm sorry, Dad. I was just hungry.
Well, you should have asked me first, and I'd give you the cash. That's it. You are grounded for 2 extra days. No more pocket money until your grounding time is over. Go upstairs to your room right now and stay there until I say you can come out.
Hey. Bro, I hate my dad. Screw him.